Hey everyone! Imagine an HR solution that fits right in your pocket, accessible anytime, anywhere. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, dreams do become reality with the Mobilehr lifetime deal. If you're running a small or medium-sized business in the US, you know how cumbersome HR management can be. Shuffling through paper files and managing spreadsheets, it's time-consuming and inefficient. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline all this with just a few taps on your phone? We're going to go further into the Mobilehr lifetime deal today, a game-changing resource that's changing the HR industry. What is Mobilehr? Mobilehr is a groundbreaking 100% mobile HR app uniquely designed for small and medium-sized US businesses. This innovative tool transforms your smartphone or tablet into a comprehensive HR management station. It simplifies tasks like employee data management, time tracking, and benefits administration, effectively replacing outdated paper files and spreadsheets. With Mobilehr, managing your company's HR functions becomes efficient and easily accessible, right from the palm of your hand. Its user-friendly design and robust features make it an essential tool for modern business management. Special lifetime deal on Appsumo. Get it before it's too late. Now let's talk numbers. Typically, robust HR software comes with hefty recurring costs, right? But Mobilehr breaks the mold with a one-time lifetime price of just $74.99. No per-record fees, no hidden charges, and no long-term commitments. It's an unbeatable offer for an all-in-one HR solution. Time, attendance, and project billing tracking. Absenteeism and time-off tracking. Easy to export payroll data to any major payroll processor like Quickbooks, Adp, Paychecks, etc. Employee and manager self-service to ease your workload. Role-based security to control user access. Feature-packed for comprehensive HR management. Mobilehr is not just about easy setup and affordability. It's packed with features that make it a powerhouse. Employee data management. Collect, maintain, and manage all your employee data seamlessly. Time and attendance tracking, including a punch clock feature for accurate timekeeping. Benefits and project management. Keep track of all employee benefits and ongoing projects effortlessly. Payroll integration. Feed data directly to your payroll processor. Say goodbye to manual inputs. Role-based security. Customize access for different roles like employees, managers, and administrators. Document management. Easily upload and manage employee documents. And there's more. The browser version for power users, self-service modules, and an easy-to-use interface, ensuring even those not tech-savvy can navigate it effortlessly. Who benefits most from Mobilehr? Mobilehr is ideal for nonprofits, remote teams, small businesses. It's the perfect alternative to traditional HR solutions like Bamboohr, Microsoft Excel, and Salesforce. Exclusive 10% additional deal awaits at Appsumo. Prepare yourself for an incredible deal. We've prepared a bonus for you in addition to the already incredible Mobilehr lifetime deal price of $74.99, an extra 10% off. Yes, that's right, even more savings on top of an already fantastic deal. Steps to secure this extra discount. Head over to the Mobilehr lifetime deal page on Appsumo. Keep an eye out for a special discount pop-up. Provide an active email address where prompted. Use the same email address throughout. Look for an email from Appsumo with the 10% off promotion. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Dive in now and take advantage of these additional savings. Transform your HR management with Mobilehr and enjoy the financial benefits too. Real reviews, real impact. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from those who've already transformed their HR management with Mobilehr. Time to act! Are you ready to revolutionize your HR management? Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Secure your Mobilehr lifetime deal now before it's too late. Transform your HR tasks from a chore to a breeze with Mobilehr. If you found this overview helpful and want more tech insights and reviews, remember to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing deals and tech tips.